All right, kindergartners, now we're going to work on some math. Today we're going to just review what we've been doing the last couple weeks of school. Do you remember using composition and decomposition to find combinations of numbers? That's where we can put numbers together and take them apart. Today's math is about using the number bonds that we talked about in class to make these combinations. Remember, we need to decide what's the same and what's different before we can start. These directions tell us to tell a story about the shapes and then complete the number bond. We're going to skip the story and just focus on the shapes. Right now, I see 1 triangle, 2 triangles. How many squares do you see? Can you count them quick? I'll wait. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many total shapes do we have? Remember, the total number goes in the top circle or whatever circle has the 2 bunny ears. Let's count our total shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I can't write on my screen, but I'd like you to get a blank piece of paper and a pencil and try to do some math with me. Can you get that quickly? All right, let's start. First, start by drawing a number bond just like this one on your paper. All right, we said there were 7 total shapes. So 7 goes at the top, and then they already gave us the number 5. Where do you think that 5 came from? That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares. So if there's 7 total shapes and 5 were squares, what number goes in this circle? 2, because there's 2 triangles. 2 triangles and 5 squares make 7 total shapes.